Hello and welcome. If you are new here, welcome and don't forget to subscribe. Welcome, beautiful you family, to my channel. If you are one of my subscribers, thank you so much for always supporting me. If you are new here, please notification bell so that whenever I upload a video, you will be notified. I hope your day is going well. Today's video, we are going to learn how to do my everyday natural makeup look. So first step is for me to apply some of my primer on my face. Use a little bit of my powder on my face. And beautiful you family, are you ready? All right, so get your pencils out. I am using my black eyeliner to line out my eyebrows, and all that I'm doing is I'm creating the shape that I like, and we are going to clean this baddie up. So that for the eyebrows, we are going to use some of my e.l.f. Camel Concealer, and it is in the color Rich Cocoa. So I went ahead to grab my flat angle brush, and all that I'm doing is I'm trying to create a shape that I like, and I am cleaning those eyebrows out. And I am taking down the concealer that I used to clean up. Again, we are using our BHS Cosmetics and I'm going ahead to use this color here, and I'm applying it all over my eye. I'm done with that. I'm using this brown. I have this paint pot from but this is how it looks like. I'm going ahead to place. I'm placing some of the MAC paint pot eyeshadow liquid, and that is it. I'm using just a little bit right there. Use some of this lighter pink, and all that I'm doing is I'm taking it up there just to give it just a little bit of color. These are all done because we're going for more of a natural look, and these are the two foundations that I'm using. This is the CoverGirl, and it's in the color True Ebony, and this one is the Maybelline New York 24 Hour, and the color is 350 Deep Bronzer. So I'm going ahead first to use the Maybelline today. So I went ahead using my CoverGirl True Ebony. Oh, I like the beauty blending sponge. Okay. Guys, I love the beauty blending sponge. Look at, wow, I love it. We are going ahead, beautiful you family, to apply our concealer. This look, yes, so that is. I also got this earth bronzer, and I'm going to so now I'm applying my concealer, and I'm taking it up a little bit. I have now I'm going to bake my face in a different I'm not using my topaz today to bake my face. I am using a different color today. and it says Sun Love and the color is 02. So that is what I'm using to bake my face. So we are moving on to contouring. I'm gonna start contouring my face. My brush, and I'm going on. Alright, and for my nose, I am using my small brush, and I'm coming close so that you guys can. I'm going ahead to clean out my face because it has been baking for a while, so I'm cleaning it up. And guys, so far this is how it looks. So I'm getting my setting powder, and we're going to set out all your loose powder, and we are going to use it to blend in everything so that setting powder. This is from Black Opal, and it is, the color is deep 05, and that is the my buff brush that I'm using, and I'm going ahead to apply it all over my face. Beautiful you family. So I went ahead to blend everything to use my loose powder. I have my palette, and I'm using my round brush, and I'm dabbing some of that, and I'm gonna place it at the bottom of this eye. I'm doing the same thing for this eye. To use my MAC, and this says apply. I like to take a little bit. So guys, I'm going ahead to apply my highlighter, and I am placing my highlighter right there, and I'm going on top. Forehead as well, not too much, but so to finish our look, I am using my mascara because today we are not applying no false lashes, so I'm going to try to build my own, and I am putting my mascara. So I have one, and now I'm moving on to my lips. And I'm going ahead to place a little bit of my lip gloss on it. And rich cocoa to clean my lips. So guys, this is my natural look. Very soft on the eye. This can be an everyday look.